Howdy and namaste everyone. My name is Parth Sahani and welcome to the Karma Yogi podcast, where we discuss how to attract extraordinary success and become a better version of ourselves every day. Wishing all of you a happy, prosperous and healthy new year. 2021 has begun and this is a great opportunity for all of us to start things fresh. It's a new year and many people are enthusiastic about bringing a positive change or behavior in their lives. However, the truth is that very few of them will actually attain success in turning them into habits that last for the long term. In his book, The Power of Habit, Charles Duhigg explains how the habit loop works. 1. The cue, something that tells your brain to initiate a routine. 2. The routine, a behavior or thought pattern that you execute. 3. The reward, some pleasurable feeling or nugget that makes us feel good and encourages our brain to repeat this process. Keeping this habit loop in mind, most New Year's resolutions fail because 1. The cue, that is January 1st or the quote blank slate only comes around once a year. 2. We don't create a sustainable routine. For instance, we enroll in a gym membership, but we don't put a system in place and don't have a definite plan of action. 3. We don't set up small rewards for ourselves along the way. The only reward that we keep for ourselves is one huge, sometimes vague, goal that seems incredibly difficult, if not impossible, to reach. This is why it's important that we give ourselves daily cues to engage in a new behavior. You can do this via stacking this new behavior of habit on a previously established one. For instance, sitting down to write as soon as you finish your morning reading session. Next, you can have a routine or system in place, for example, writing for 30 minutes every weekday, and also set up constant rewards daily, monthly, quarterly, and even yearly as you review your accomplishments. As you set up your rewards, just make sure that they are moderate indulgences and not unhealthy ones, otherwise you'll be motivated by negative intentions that don't serve well in the long term. So follow up on your New Year's resolutions by design, not by default. We all need a foolproof system and the fulfillment of the habit loop to make our resolutions stick and turn into habits that last for many years to come. It's time for the Gratitude Attitude segment. This week, I want to express my gratitude for a book called Atomic Habits, written by James Clear. If you're someone like me who enjoyed and learned a great deal from books such as The Compound Effect, Tiny Habits, and The Slight Edge, you'll love this book. An atomic habit is a regular practice or routine that is not only small and easy to do, but is also the source of incredible power, a component of the system of compound growth. Clear points out that habits are the compound interest of self-improvement, and success is the product of daily habits, not once-in-a-lifetime transformations. So if you want better results, then it's best to let go of your lofty goals and instead pay attention to your system instead. In a nutshell, it's best to focus on small daily changes. With time, they can have a revolutionary impact on your career, your relationships, and your life. Because this book beautifully aligns with my personal approach to self-development, which at its core is about becoming a little better every day, I got tons of value from this book and would also like to recommend it. I think this is a great book to read or listen to as you start your new year if you want to increase your chances of cultivating better habits and become happier and healthier. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you would like to ask me a question or have any comments or suggestions, write an email or send a voice memo to podcast@parthsahani.com. Also, I would encourage you to read my book, The Way of the Karma Yogi. It's now available on Amazon for only $2.99 in the US and Canada and for £2.99 in the UK. This is a limited time offer and the lowest price you'll ever get, so I'll encourage you to get your copy today. You can also send a copy to a friend or a loved one as a New Year gift to help them learn the fundamentals of self-mastery and living an extraordinary life and have a great start for the year ahead. Lastly, if you want even more resources to create an extraordinary life and become a better version of yourself every day, plus some personal insights and updates from me that I only share in email, come visit my website at thekarmayogi.blog and make sure you sign up for my email newsletter. Focus on your actions and let go of the outcomes, because success is a journey, not a destination, and we need to keep working towards it every single day. Thank you so much for your time and attention, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.